Good morning, class 12. The last video for the chapter cash flow statement, full length sum we have already done, where we calculated or computed cash flow from operating, investing and financing activity together with adjustments. As I told earlier also, in board there may be asked calculate cash flow from investing activity only or cash flow from financing, and operating individually we have already done. So today we are doing illustration number 25, page number 8.42 in my book. From the following particulars, calculate cash flow from investing activities. We have given some items: plant, purchase, sale, investment, purchase, sale, goodwill, purchase, sale, patents and some adjustment. Adjustments are on interest received on debenture, interest paid on debenture, dividend received, dividend paid. A plot of land was purchased out of the surplus fund for the investment purpose and was let out for a commercial use and rent received 30,000. So let us start, sir. First item, purchase and purchase 620. So as usual here, purchase of plant, it is given 6,20,000. We are purchasing, outflow, money is going. In the same way, we have given sale of plant, and the plant is sold for rupees 2 lakh. When we are selling plant, money is coming, positive item. The next item is investment, purchase. So purchase of investment 2,40,000. When we are purchasing, money is going. Then we have given sale. So we will write over here sale of investment. It is given rupees 80,000. When we are selling, money is coming. Next is goodwill. Purchase, it is given in purchase. So we will write over here purchase of goodwill. It is given 1 lakh rupees. When you are purchasing, money is going. In sale, nothing is given. And then we have given patents. In purchase, amount is nil, but in sale it is 1,50,000. So sale of patents 1,50,000 rupees. So these were some items given in the table. After table we have given interest received on debenture. When do we get interest on debenture? When we have invested money into debenture outside the company. So it is again our non-operating income. Interest on debenture. This amount is rupees 8,000. Investing activities, because money is invested outside the business. Then we have given interest paid on debenture. Interest paid on debenture is financing. It will not come over here. Dividend received. Dividend we are receiving. Again it is on investment. It is rupees 20,000. Positive item. But here more item is given, dividend paid. So dividend paid is which activity? Financing activity. It will not come. And the last line is given rent received. Again it is our investing activity, because surplus money we have invested into purchase of a plot, and on that we are getting rent. Now in this way you can make the total and find out whether there is a cash used in investing activity or whether there is a cash flow from investing activity, right? Now sum number 27, one more sum. Here the information are given: years 2011, 2012, proper order is given. First item is given plant and machine. On that we have adjustment also. So let us prepare plant and machine account. To balance brought down 8,50,000, and then by balance carried down 10 lakh rupees. Now adjustment is given. Depreciation on plant is 50,000. So by depreciation 50,000. This depreciation will not come in investing activities. Again we are preparing over here cash flow from investing activities. This depreciation normally we add in operating activities in first part, so it will not come here. Now one more adjustment is given on plant machinery whose book value was 60,000, sold for 40,000 रुपए का प्लांट 40,000 में बेच दिया. Is it profit or loss? it is loss. We are selling it at 40. So buy bank 40,000 and buy loss on sale of plant 20,000 rupees. I think you are able to understand. This 50,000 I just told to be added into operating activity. 40,000 sale of plant, we will show over here. Sale of plant 40,000 positive item. This loss on sale we are going to add in operating activities. Now we will close it. After closing it, whatever balancing figure is left over here, what is that? Purchase of plant, and where this purchase of plant come? Here, purchase of plant bracket item, right? Now we have given one more adjustment. Land last year 2 lakh, now 1 lakh, right? Balance brought down, balance carried down. Now some says that a part of land sold at a gain of 60,000. हमने एक लैंड का टुकड़ा बेचा है 60,000 रुपए के गेन पे. Where that gain come into assets account? Debit side 60,000 rupees to gain on sale, right? Now its debit side is more 2,60,000. 2,60,000. So here how much figure left? 1,60,000. What is it, my dear? Buy bank sale. 1,60,000 की सेल यहाँ पे आ जाएगी. Sale of land 1,60,000. Now one more item is given. Net current, non-current investment. Last year's 40, now 1 lakh. Non-current investment increases. What does it mean? It is purchase of non-current investment. So we will be showing in investing activity bracket item. So this was the way in which we prepare separate statement to show cash flow from which activity, dear? Investing activity. In the same way, we have given sum number 28, where we have to prepare accumulated depreciation as well as of equipment account. That I told in detail when we were doing the topic full length sum, right? Now one more sum is given, sir. Illustration 30, page number 6.48. The name of the sum is Bharat Gas Limited. Bharat Gas Limited. It is sum number 30. Bharat Gas Limited. Again we are doing cash flow from investing activity. Years are given in proper order: 2015, 2016. First item is goodwill. Last year 1 lakh, now 3 lakh. On goodwill we don't have any adjustment. It means purchase of goodwill. We will write over here purchase of goodwill 2 lakh bracket item. Next item, patents. Last year patents 2,80,000. Now patents 1,60,000. Normally when intangible assets reduces, we treat them patents written off. हमने intangible assets को written off कर दिया, and that written off we add into operating activities. But here on patents we have given adjustment. That adjustment says that patents were written off to the extent of 40,000. हमारे patents 1,20,000 से कम हुए हैं. Out of that 40,000 were written off. We cannot say entire 1,20,000 written off. Only how much written off? 40,000. So where this 40,000 written off will go? It will go into operating activity. Now how much patents left to us? 80,000. And now some says that remaining patents were sold at a profit of 20,000. Remaining patents left for 80, we are selling it at a profit. So it means patents sold at 1 lakh rupees, and where this 1 lakh rupees will come? In investing activity, sale of patents 1 lakh rupees. This 20,000 is profit. Where this profit will go, my dear? It will be deducted into operating activity in first part, gain on sale of patents, right? Next item, machinery. On machinery we have given adjustment. So we have to prepare its ledger, machinery account. To balance brought down and by balance carried down. Opening balance of machine is given 10,20,000, and closing balance is given 12,40,000. Now adjustment says that a machine costing 140, accumulated depreciation is 60,000. cost of the machine is 140, less accumulated depreciation is 60,000. It is given 60,000. 60. So my dear, what is 80 left? This 80,000 is our book value, and some says that sold for 50,000 rupees. So what is this 30,000 rupees? This is loss. This is loss. When we were doing full length sum, I told you what is the meaning of cost. Cost means the purchase price at which we purchased many years back. Less accumulated depreciation. What is accumulated depreciation? This is the depreciation which is accumulated on this machine till today. जिस दिन हम मशीन को बेच रहे हैं उस दिन तक का इस पे डेप्रिसिएशन 60,000 रुपए accumulate हो रखा है. बुक वैल्यू आज के दिन वैल्यू ऑफ आवर दैट प्लांट इज और मशीन इज 80,000 and we are selling it at 50, so 30 is our loss. I told in order to transfer the entry in this machine account, we will see this is at book value or cost. So can you tell me what is this value? Sir, it is book value. Why it is book value, sir? Because here depreciation, opening and closing balances are not given. That's why it is at book value. And the machine which we are selling, this is the book value of that machine, 80,000. So this 80,000 we are going to show over here. How to show? Number one, by bank account. This bank account is 50,000. And number two is by loss on sale. It is 30,000 rupees. This 50,000 amount received investing activity. This 30,000 loss will go there. And here it is written that for 1,40,000 is current year depreciation. So by current year depreciation 1,40,000. This 1,40,000 depreciation will go in operating activity also. I told earlier also when we prepare it at cost, तब यहाँ पर accumulated depreciation आता है, ये 60,000 आएगा. कब? जब हम इसको cost पे बनाते हैं, और जब इसको book value पे बनाते हैं तो ये current year का depreciation आएगा. Now rest you can close it. Now one more adjustment is given over here, dear. It is given long term investment. Let us do this long term investment, sir. Long term investment account, or you can say non current investment account. To balance brought down by balance carried down. That balance is given 60,000 and 1,60,000 opening and closing balance asset side. Now some says that 10% investment purchase for 180. हमने investment purchase की 180 की. When we are purchasing investment, entry will come on debit side. Investment purchase for rupees 1,80,000 to bank account. And where this 1,80,000 will also come in investing activity, purchase of investment. Now some further says that some of the investment were sold at a profit of 20,000. कुछ investment 20,000 के profit में बेच दी. So whenever we are selling any assets at profit, this profit will come over here, gain on sale of investment 20,000 rupees. And where this gain will go? It will go into operating activity minus. Now it is in the sum, it is not given at what price we sold it, that we will find it now. Make the total, my dear friends. It becomes 2,60,000, 2,60,000. The remaining is 1 lakh. What is it? This sale by bank account. This sale of investment will come over here, right? I think now investment in land, both amount is same, nothing to do. Share of Amartex Limited, both are equal, nothing to do. We are getting Amartex paid dividend 10% on share. Adjustment number 4, हमें dividend मिला है. हमने बाहर पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रखा था, उसके ऊपर 10% डिविडेंड मिला है. 10% बिकम 10,000, तो डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड. इन द सेम वे हमने हमारे पास एक प्लॉट था, उस पर 30,000 रुपये का रेंट मिला है, वो भी यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाएगा. तो इन दिस वे वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. Now we will do cash flow from financing activity. Let us do one sum, sir. Cash flow from financing activity. Okay, now we are doing sum number 31. Sum number 31, cash flow from financing activity. Financing activity. Here years are given in reverse order. Last year 2015, now 2016. First we have given equity share capital, then preference share capital, then debenture. Now equity share capital. Last year 6 lakh, now 8 lakh. Last year 6 lakh, Now current year 8 lakh. What does it mean? It means 2 lakh shares issued by us. हमने 2 लाख रुपए के शेयर इशू किए हैं. And in adjustment it is given equity share were issued at a premium of 15%. ये जो 2 लाख के शेयर इशू हुए हैं ये we have issued them at premium. तो 15% premium, my dear, it becomes 30,000. It means how much amount we are receiving at the time of issue of share, 2,30,000. And in adjustment, one more adjustment is given. Last adjustment, adjustment number 7, underwriter commission on equity share is 10,000. That we have to deduct. Underwriter commission on equity share. It means what is the net proceeding from issue of share. शेयर इशू करने से हमारे पास नेट प्रोसीडिंग कितने की हुई? 2,20,000 की. शेयर इशू करने से 2 लाख रुपए आए थे, 15% प्रीमियम आया. टोटल अमाउंट इज कमिंग 2,30,000. 10,000 rupees given to underwriters. It means what is the net proceeding? So we will write over here issue of share. Issue of shares. This is rupees 2,20,000 rupees. I think our doubt is clear. Next, preference share capital. Last year 2 lakh, now nil. What does it mean? It means we have redeemed our debenture. Preference share. Redemption of preference share. And here adjustment number 2 is given. These preference shares were redeemed at a premium of 5%. It means 10,000. It means the total amount paid by us is 2,10,000. We will write over here redemption of preference share 2,10,000 rupees. Total amount is going 2,10,000. You have given 10,000 rupees extra. This 10,000 rupees extra will be which is given by us will be added into cash flow from operating activities. Here this 30,000 premium will be added in deducted from operating activity and underwriter commission will be added over there. Next, debenture. Last year debenture nil, now it is 1 lakh. It means issue of debenture. 1 lakh rupees debenture issued. And here adjustment number 3 is given. 14% debenture were issued at a discount of 1%. When we are issuing debenture of rupees 1 lakh and these were issued at a 1% discount, it means we are getting 1,000 rupees less. It means how much money is coming to us? 99,000. So we will write over here issue of debenture 99,000 rupees. Issue of debenture. Here it was redemption. We will show bracket item. Now all table item is over. In adjustment, 4 adjustment we have done. 4th is interim dividend paid. It will be coming over here. Minus item. Dividend paid on preference share. Again it will come over here. Interest on debenture. Again it will come over here. So in this way, if some is asking separate how to calculate financing activity, so this is the way to calculate cash flow from financing activity. With this we come to an end of this chapter, cash flow statement. Thank you very much.